Hello, all of you. Today we will be studying about atomic mass and atomic mass unit, which is a part of chapter 3, class 9, atoms and molecules, part 4, and it includes atomic mass. In this session, we will be mainly concentrating on atomic mass unit, relative atomic mass of some of the elements, and we will also find out how these atoms actually they exist in nature. So, atomic mass is the mass of an atom. But because the atoms are so small, so it is very difficult for measuring this atomic mass. And that is why it was calculated by using laws of chemical combination. Dalton used hydrogen atom as a standard for determining atomic mass of the various elements. Later on, oxygen was used as standard and 1/16th of the mass of oxygen atom was considered as a unit because oxygen combines with large number of elements to form compounds. But now carbon-12 is used to calculate the atomic mass. Atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is a mass unit which is exactly equal to 1/12th of the mass of carbon-12 atom. You can observe over here. This is one carbon atom and these are the 12 parts of one carbon atom, and every part is equal to one atomic mass unit. So 12 parts will be equal to 12 atomic mass unit. Relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass of the atom of an element is defined as the average mass of an atom as compared to 1/12 the mass of one carbon-12 atom. Now there are two terms which are, one is relative atomic mass and the other one is absolute atomic mass. Now absolute atomic mass is extremely small. If we consider the absolute atomic mass of hydrogen atom, it comes to 1.66 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms. Now to write that, it's quite difficult. So to make our calculations easy, the relative atomic mass is used. So these are the atomic mass of some of the elements: hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, chlorine and calcium. Now if you compare the mass of carbon to the mass of magnesium, you will find that the mass of magnesium atom is double the mass of carbon atom, and the smallest one, hydrogen, it has got only one unit. The unit of atomic mass is either, you can write AMU, or now it is written as unified atomic mass. So it is written as U. There is one more term for it, that is Daltons. So to understand the atomic mass unit in a different way, I have these pictures of one guava. It's 12 pieces, and out of that 12 piece, one piece. So as we have also discussed it in the class, that this guava can be considered as carbon-12 atom. When we cut it into 12 equal pieces, then every piece is equal to 1/12 the mass of carbon-12 atom. So if the atoms are measured in this unit, then it becomes easy for us to understand and also easy for us to do our calculations. So Let us take one example like helium. The helium atom is equal to 4 atomic mass unit. So if we take 4 pieces like this and compare it with the mass of helium atom, then helium atom will be equal to 4 1/12 part of carbon 12 atom. Now, how do these atoms exist in nature? The atoms, they exist in various ways in nature. The first method or the first way of existence is they exist in free state. For example, in case of noble gases like argon, neon, xenon, etc. These noble gases, their atoms do not combine with any other atom. Even they do not combine with their own atoms. So they live or they exist freely in the nature. That is why they are called noble. Noble people, they do not mingle up with normal population, है ना? So noble gases alone, और ऐसा भी बोलते हैं ना, the king is always alone. So this noble gas is always alone. Then comes in the form of molecules. So the atoms, they combine with other atoms to form molecules. For example, O2. 2 atoms of oxygen have combined to form O2. Similarly, 1 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of chlorine can combine to form HCl, hydrochloric acid. Atoms also exist in the form of ions. Like in case of metallic atoms, they exist in the form of positive ions. If we consider the non-metallic atoms, then they exist in the form of negatively charged ions, like Na plus and Cl minus ions. So, I hope you have understood this atomic mass unit, atomic mass, and the existence of atoms in the nature properly today.